So I'm going to show you the second method, another method of this filler stitch.
For it seems he has forgotten what the tradition stipulates about the important. And then one more. Now that the stitching time is 6, 9. Wisdom in the bow. Only the wise enjoys the content. That is the words of our forefathers. It serves as a key bridge to mastery. And as a safety
As you can see, it's not enough, so we'll pick up more.
Best friend go again and go on. You know, I
What's the meaning of this? I mean, you could have killed me.
The guy wanted to kill me. I come in a place.
That must be the greatest joke of the century. Because you, I know, is not and will never be a lover of peace. So I'm surprised.
I don't know why you and your fellow guys dislike me so much. Is it because I'm sibling guys?
How?
Anyways, to cut the long story short, I am here to offer you something that will benefit your miserable life. I am offering you 5 million naira. 5. But you see, Tony, you have to work in. I want you to eliminate Amara and her wretched, stupid father. Yes, she trusts you, and you are the only one fit enough to carry out this assignment. So what do you say? Think about it. You both assured me that you would get her. What happened?
Yes, they tried. But she's scared and come home to her phone. And she complained. We saw her with her father going out in the street with matches. So we stopped to make a move.
But that's because the both of you are dummies. Complete fools. I mean, how could you let her sleep through just like that? And I am sure she has reported or complained to her father. Who must have gone to the police to make a complaint. I mean, he's trying to fight for his daughter's safety. Then when the police comes on you, what are you going to do? You tell them that I am the one involved and I'm going to ask you to. I'm sure that's what you're going to do.
No, we will never do that. think she needs your protection. Oh, the girl that sings for you. You see, Your Highness, Princess Ogoma approached me today on my way, and she implored me to kill the girl and the father by offering me 5 million naira. What? Yes, Your Highness. She nearly knocked me down today with her car before I observed her presence.
So,
Your Highness, she
this is
said
another
then
method
from killing that innocent
of
girl. I think
doing the filler stitch. Instead of horizontally, you can do it vertically. So now we'll knot off our work.